Hello there. So this video is going to be about what I'm growing at home. So this is basically an overspill from the allotment. So I'll take you around for a little tour. So excuse the glasses, it is sunny, but I'm also recalibrating after night. So if I'm slurring my words or if I seem a bit spaced out, that's because of lack of sleep. So I'm going to start at the back with my little greenhouses. So in here I've got some rescued aloe vera from the allotment. Someone left them out for someone to collect, so I grabbed them and revived them. So I've got Costaluto see what I mean? Costaluta Fiontina, you know what I mean. So I've got them growing in here along with some honeycombs. They're really nice, and I've got some chilies here, probably Scotch bonnets. That's my first little greenhouse. And then here, this is my chilli house. So loads of chilies, mostly hot ones. So ricotas, Scotch bonnets, hopefully some reapers. I saved a load of seeds from last year and just sowed them. So I obviously mixed up all my seeds. There's some aubergines over there. So this patch here and this patch I dug out of the lawn during COVID just to give me something to do, but then we were allowed to go to the allotment anyway, so it didn't really matter. But yeah, these are the overspill. So I have some pumpkins here and here, and then this is my gherkin wigwam. I've already had my fill from this. I've got about seven jars of pickles. Sunflowers. That one normally does well in that area because it doesn't get too much sun. So it's normally where I get my tall one from. What have I got? So more tomatoes. There's an overspill. And pumpkins there. And then here, more pumpkins. Courgette, runner bean, wigwam, and this is my pond. Some sweet corn, and yeah, this is what I'm doing as well. So these were from my garage, so these are from my stored onions from last year, which had bolted in the garage. So I thought I'd just plant them out and try and save seed from them. They're Santero, so they're white rot resistant. So yeah, there's one pumpkin. And what have we got here? So I got some lettuce, tumbling toms, some herbs, another pumpkin. So yeah, that's this patch. Now look at the grass. It's August. This time last year it was just completely yellow. It had all died. So let's go over here. So this is at the back. So I've got Phacelia patch here. I've got comfrey all over here as well. This is my compost area. So I've got a few bays. That's where I keep my browns. So leaf mould, wood chip, cardboard. When I mow the grass, I put it in here, and then I put the brown on top of it like a lasagna, and keep on doing it that way, and then turning it over. This is it's pretty much good to go. So at the back here, got more lettuce, kale. There's a load of herbs around there. And then these were my sugar snaps, which I think have revived a little bit. So yeah, I've still got a few of them. Carrots. And got a load of tomatoes, so Costalutas again. And most of these are Romas. My cooking toms. Carrots in the pots. They normally do quite well. So this is my fruit area. I've got some cucumbers here as well. black currants and raspberries and fig tree. The old raspberries haven't done that well this year, so I don't know the reason why. My blueberries. It's my sunfire, so it's all turning over now, so it'll start flowering soon. So then I can start reusing the seeds. My potting shed. So I've got my onions that are drying at the moment. They're nearly ready to be strung up. So I normally tie them really tight on the neck and then attach them to each other onion so they store well. Yeah, so these are the flowers that are drying. Spuds are curing. This is my greenhouse. So I've got plenty of cherry toms, sun golds mainly, and some honeycomb, and then loads of chilies as well. So I'm hanging banana skins everywhere to try and get them to ripen. Again, I've got some aubergines. So yeah, done quite well with the tomatoes this year. So yeah, that is the tour of my my garden. Hope you enjoyed. See you later.